Hello, I'm Sensei Alex Kakuyo, North American Correspondent for Buddhistdoor Global. Thanks for joining me for this episode of The Ordinary Buddhist. The title of today's talk is Woodworking and Spiritual Practice. Before we get into that, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I post talks in the future. If you wouldn't mind hitting the like button, that'd be great too. Recently, I've taken up the hobby of carpentry and woodworking here at the homestead. And part of this was out of interest. It's always something I wanted to learn, and part of it was just out of necessity. We had things that needed to be built. We didn't necessarily have the money to buy them, so I had to get some wood, a hammer and nails, and see what I could come up with. And to be clear, this is middle school shop class level workmanship. Definitely not going to be winning any rewards, but nothing's broke yet, so that's nice. I built a chair, a desk. I'm working on a coffee table right now. And one of the things I find interesting is the connection between woodworking and spiritual practice. Because what I've found is that when you get involved with the practice of woodworking, you go to the hardware store and you buy lumber, and maybe you have a slight idea of what you want to build and how it's going to look when it's done, but you have a bunch of stuff that really doesn't look like anything at the start. But with a little faith and a little hard work and lots of instruction from YouTube videos, you eventually wind up with something that's usable, that's good, that makes life better for not only you, but the people around you as well. And our spirituality works in exactly the same way. Oftentimes, when we step into a Buddhist center for the first time, we have no idea what to expect. And to be frank, we may not be very good at the practice. Maybe it's hard for us to sit without moving. Maybe we spill things during the oryoki bowl meals. Maybe we forget the chanting and we don't know anything from the sutras. But if we have faith and hard work, eventually, slowly but surely, things start to come together. Our spiritual practice improves, and as a result, our life improves until we've built something with our spirituality that makes life better not only for ourselves, but for the people around us as well. So whether or not we're building a coffee table or a spiritual practice, the key thing to remember is that we cannot and should not give up. Amitabha.